Alright, welcome back to ElectroDrive News. We're kicking things off with a massive breakthrough that could change the game for electric vehicles. A UK startup, Altilium, is making incredible strides using old EV batteries to create new ones, and they're saying people were skeptical about the need for it just a few years ago. This could revolutionize sustainability in the EV sector. Next up, we're diving deep into a challenge that's as crucial as the technology itself: public perception. The EV industry is facing significant hurdles in how it's viewed by the public, and we'll explore what that means for the future of electric driving. It's a complex issue that impacts adoption rates and industry growth. Then, we're heading north to examine the intricate web of international relations. China's EV tariff review is putting Ottawa in a tricky position, forcing them to balance critical auto industry interests, agricultural exports like canola, and complex ties with the United States. This could have ripple effects across global markets. And finally, get ready to have your mind blown by what BMW is doing. They're setting the end of glossy dashboards with a new German EV concept that turns the windshield into a fully integrated screen. This is futuristic tech you have to see to believe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell for all the latest. This is a game changer for EV sustainability. A UK startup, Altilium, has developed a revolutionary recycling process that can transform old electric vehicle batteries into brand new ones. Imagine, instead of being discarded, your used EV battery could be the source for the next generation of electric cars. Altilium's method uses nitric acid to recover over 95% of the critical metals like lithium, nickel, and cobalt from these old batteries. This process is not only significantly cheaper than mining new materials, but it also drastically reduces the environmental impact by avoiding destructive mining practices and preventing toxic chemicals from polluting our soil and groundwater. Sean Joseph, finance director at Altilium, highlighted that 5 years ago, the idea was met with skepticism, but the growing demand for EV batteries, largely driven by electric cars, made this innovation a necessity. If scaled up in the UK, Altilium projects that recycled materials could supply half of the metals needed for domestic EV batteries by 2040. This isn't just about recycling, it's about creating a truly circular economy for electric vehicles, making them more sustainable and potentially more affordable in the long run. But what does this mean for the everyday EV driver and the industry's future? We're about to find out as we explore another major challenge facing electric cars: public perception. Public perception is one of the EV industry's biggest challenges, and it's a hurdle that could significantly impact the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. While the technology advances at lightning speed, the way consumers view EVs, their practicality, cost, charging infrastructure, and overall reliability, plays a critical role in their success. Events like the Electric Vehicle Innovation and Excellence Awards in London aim to highlight advancements and foster collaboration. But bridging the gap between innovation and public acceptance is an ongoing effort that requires clear communication and demonstrable benefits. The industry must not only build better EVs, but also build greater trust and understanding among potential buyers. Now, let's shift gears and look at how international relations can create complex situations for the EV market. We're heading to Canada to investigate a high-stakes tariff review impacting auto and U.S. relations. A crucial international trade review is unfolding that could significantly impact the automotive sector. China's ongoing review of electric vehicle tariffs has placed Ottawa in a precarious diplomatic tightrope, forcing them to carefully balance multiple, often conflicting, interests. This situation involves navigating the delicate relationships between the Canadian auto industry, which relies on global supply chains, the vital export market for Canadian canola, and the complex, interconnected trade dynamics with the United States. The outcome of this review could have far-reaching consequences, potentially affecting pricing, availability, and the overall landscape of EV adoption not just in Canada, but across North America and beyond. It highlights the intricate geopolitical factors that are increasingly shaping the future of electric mobility. From complex trade deals to cutting-edge automotive design, What's next will redefine your driving experience. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal BMW's revolutionary new display concept that's putting the future right in front of your eyes. Get ready for a radical shift in automotive design. German EV maker BMW is paving the way for the end of traditional glossy dashboards with its groundbreaking new Panoramic iDrive technology, set to debut across all new BMW models from late 2025. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of the driver and passenger interface. The system leverages gestures, swipes, and voice commands, making digital interaction intuitive and futuristic, while still feeling familiar. The star of the show is the Panoramic Vision concept, a full-width head-up display that projects crucial driving information and customizable content directly onto the lower part of the windscreen, visible to everyone in the car. This innovation not only enhances the user experience, but also signifies a move towards a more integrated and immersive in-car environment. BMW's continued investment in alternative powertrains, including their collaboration with Toyota on hydrogen fuel cell technology, underscores a broader industry commitment to carbon neutrality and a sustainable automotive future. And that's just the beginning of the future we're building. Stay tuned for our lightning round recap and the full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's ElectroDrive news. We covered Altilium's game-changing battery recycling, tackled the critical issue of public perception in the EV industry, analyzed China's impactful EV tariff review affecting Canada, and unveiled BMW's stunning windshield display concept. If you loved this deep dive into the future of electric mobility, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for more cutting-edge updates, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Share your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on all social media platforms to stay connected. See you next time.